We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
In this video, we will discuss about how to create legends in Revit. Legends list out the building components and annotations in your project or drawing. The main purpose of legend is that to understand the meaning of the symbols on the drawing on which we are working. These are the examples for legends in drawings. To demonstrate the function of legend tool, click the View tab. Legend tool is on Create panel. Select the legend from Legend drop-down menu. Or else, you can right-click on the legend in Project Browser to create a new legend list. Now a dialog box is opened. Enter the name and scale for the legend you want to create. In Project Browser, under Legends, we can see a new list you have created. For creating an index box, go to Annotate tab. Choose Detail Line option on the Detail panel. Draw an index box using these drawing tools. And again to go to Annotate tab. Choose Text tool from Text panel. Enter the data in index box. Then next, we will add the symbols. For that, go to Annotate tab. Legend component, choose from the Component drop-down menu. In Option panel, we can choose the required family symbols and its view used in the drawing. For example, in our drawing, this is the symbol for door in floor plan. and enter the text in description column. And in our drawing, this is the symbol for window in floor plan. And enter the text in description column. If you want to place the elevation view of the door, copy the door and change the view in option bar to elevation front or back as per your requirements. And enter the text. Thanks for watching this video.